Hi guys, this is part 2 from Pagination. So let's proceed with the code. So we left the last line of code that we did was the start, okay, to set always the page, okay, to 0. So let's proceed. Okay, so now here in this line query, I want to append from users and then give a little space, and now you have to type limit, and what this does is going to limit the number of users displayed for each page. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. Let me see. Okay, let's go to the page first and see what is going on. Okay, if I refresh this now, we don't have the limit. Okay, we don't have the limit of set yet. Okay, we have all the names in the database displayed. Some of you guys probably are asking, but didn't you explain before that this was the limit? Yes, this is going to be the limit, but it's not yet. Okay, this is only a number 6, and this is the variable per page. Okay, but now we will I'm going to show you how can we make possible to output whatever number of users we want. So let's type 6, which is where do we want to start to display the number of users. So well, for now let's type 0. We want to start in 0, and this is the number of users that we want to display. So if I refresh this, you'll see that now we will have, oops, let me see, no, it doesn't work because this, probably I was wrong. This is the number of users. Let me see, and no, it still doesn't work. I don't know why. Let me see. Oh, okay, I know what the problem is. Sorry guys, this is not supposed to be in here. This is from users here. It's in the line where the variable is the query. Okay, query. So MySQL query, and in here I'm gonna type limit let's say 0, 6. Let's save this, let's refresh, and perfect. Okay, we have the first start from 0 from the database to the 6. Okay, and this is where we want to start. This is the number of users that we want to show, and if I change this to 6, this is going to start, the users that we want to show will now start in the name that is the number 6 user. You see, and this is the way that we will do pagination. Okay, and if I type here 12, it's going to start in number 12. You see, and if I change this to 10, it's going to show me the 10 users. Perfect. Okay, so this is a very cool way to do pagination with this line. Okay, now from now on, now that we have this, we're going to set this per page in here. Okay, and that will limit the number of users that we see per page. Okay, so in here type per page. Okay, and in here we're going to type the variable start, which is always will start always in 0. Okay, let's type start, and let's save this, and perfect. Okay. Okay, so now let's open this and our and we have a lot of errors. Okay, let me see. First, notice undefined variable number 8. Okay, so undefined variable, which is start line number 8. Oh, okay. Okay, I know what the problem is. Let's copy this, and we have to put it here. Let's paste that here and delete this. Let's save this. Let's refresh this, and we have the MySQL result expects parameter 1 to be resource boolean given in on line 9. Okay, I found another error, which is in line 9. Okay, and the error is that here, where we type ID, the parenthesis has to be right away next to count. Okay, so we type count and then parenthesis. Okay, don't leave a space there here. Okay. So if we save that, now we refresh, perfect. Okay. Now what we need is to do the pagination is the numbers here below. Okay. Each number will be a different page with the following 6s. Okay, in our database. So this is the first 6 users, then we click page 2, and then we will have the rest of the list, page 3. Okay, so let's do that, and now let's go down here. Now we type an if statement. Okay, and inside this the parenthesis, the condition is going to be if pages is bigger or equal to 1, do this code here, and this code is going to be a loop. Okay, to loop through the results, to loop through the pages. We're going to make a pages using a loop. Okay, page 1, page 2, page 3. So if this condition means if pages, which is the result of the pages divided by the number of users that we want to see in the page, is bigger than or equal to 1, okay, do the code show pages. Okay, this means that if it's bigger than 6, we will have more than one page, right? We will have 6 in the first page, 6 in the second, and the third. So if we only have 6 users or less than 6 users to display, this code will not run. So we will not have pages below, numerical pages, page 1, page 2, page 3, because we will only need the first page to see the total of users, right? So this is going to be now a loop, okay, to build the links of pages, of different pages, to see the rest of the list. So now we type the for loop that I told you, and the for loop is going to be type for, and inside the parenthesis we're going to type x equals 1, and then variable x is less or equal to pages x plus plus. If you don't know if you don't understand very well how for loops work, please go to my for loop tutorial, okay, and you'll understand pretty fast what this means. Okay, so now the loop is ready, and the action in the for loop is going to be an echo, and we'll gonna echo a link, okay, because the numbers below of the pages are going to links, clickable links, okay, to send us to a different page or whatever different page we want to go. And now here we type page equals single quotes, and let's concatenate the variable x, okay, which is going to be the number of the page, and let's close this, and now let's concatenate the x again, the variable x, and concatenate, and in here let's close the link. Okay, let's save this. Okay, let's go right away to the browser. Let's refresh, and we have a syntax error on line 24. Line 24, let me see. Okay, the error is in here. We have to type the symbol, the dollar symbol. I forgot, because this is the variable x. Let's save this, let's return, let's refresh, and perfect. Okay, we have, this is not, I'm gonna give separate a little bit the 1, 2, 3, and 4. To do that, we have to go here and do it, let's leave a space there, okay, after the closing, and there it is, okay. I'm in 1. If I click 2, the next 6 in the list. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is now we have the core of the script, how to make pagination. Okay, and you can apply this, and we will, to our test site. Okay, to our CRUD test site for each page where we have list, or in the search engine. I'm going to apply this also to the search engine. But before we do that, to apply pagination to our pages in our test site, I'm going to show you how to make, whenever we click, or whenever we are in a single page, a different page. If I click now here 3, we are in page 3, right? I want to be the number 3 in bold. If I click in 4, I will have the number 4 in bold, okay? So that will make an idea. It will show us an idea where pages are we at the moment, okay? And I'm also going to do a next button here, or a next link, and a previous link, okay? So if we are in number 4, we can click in next and go to the next page or a previous page, okay? I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So this is all for now, and it seems like we will need part 3, okay? So see you guys in the next video. Bye.